Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is properties of chords. Watch the video carefully and up to end. Watch the activity carefully. Here I draw a center and the circle. I draw chord using the set square. I draw a perpendicular from the center to the chord. Now name this is a perpendicular. We name it center O. Chord AB, OM is perpendicular to chord AB. Now watch the figure carefully. I highlight AM. Now this AM, this segment, I put on the segment BM. What happens? AM congruent to BM. When we draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord, then that segment bisects the chord. So write down the property. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. This is first property. Second property. Watch the figure carefully. I draw a center of the circle. This is this point taken as the center of the circle. I draw a circle. I draw chord. I take a point, midpoint of this chord and draw a segment. Now name O is the center, AB is the chord and M is midpoint of chord AB. हा M midpoint आहे का नाही ते बघूया. AM काढलाय मी, परत एक सेगमेंट काढलाय बघा, हायलाइट केलाय. तो सेगमेंट मी मूव केला AM, तो BM वर बरोबर बसलेला आहे. म्हणजे AM आणि BM कसे इक्वल. आता आपण हा अँगल OMB मोजून बघू using set square. This is perpendicular. These two angles are in linear pair. One is 90 degree, so remaining is also 90 degree. From this, we conclude that segment OM is perpendicular to AB. So write down the property. The segment joining the center of the circle and the midpoint of its chord is perpendicular to chord. Practice set 17.1 is based on properties of chord. First example, in circle with center P, chord AB is drawn of length 13 centimeter. Segment PQ is perpendicular to chord AB. Then find QB. Here we find out QB. Solution. In a circle with center P, segment PQ is perpendicular to chord AB. Therefore, length QB is equal to half of length AB, because a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So write down the reason. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now substitute the value of AB. Chord is 13 centimeter. 2 and the 2. 2 and the 2. 2 6 the 12. Remain 1. 2 5 the 10 means 6.5. So write down the answer 6.5 centimeter. Next example. In this given example, O is the center of a circle with radius 25 means OD is 25 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center means here we find out this distance OP. If the length of chord means CD is given 48 centimeter. When we draw perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So we find out PD. In triangle OPD, angle P is 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we find out OP. Solution. In a circle with center O, segment OP is perpendicular to chord CD. Therefore, length PD is equal to half into length CD. Write down the reason. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Now substitute the value 1 upon 2 into 48. Length of the chord, that is 48. 2 and the 24, 2 is 48. Therefore, PD is equal to 24. Now, in triangle OPD, angle OPD is equal to 90 degree. I highlight this triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to OP square plus PD square. Now substitute the values. Therefore, 25 square is equal to OP square plus 24 square. Therefore, 625 is equal to OP square plus 576. Now this 576 we bring on left hand side. Therefore, 625 minus 576 is equal to OP square. This subtraction we get 49 is equal to OP square. Now find out the OP by taking square root. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. What is OP? That is the distance of a chord from the center of a circle. So write down the distance of a chord from the center of the circle is 7 centimeter. Next example. O is the center of the circle. Find the length of the radius. Here we find out the radius, that is OB or OA. If the chord of the length 24, here AB is 24 centimeter, is at the distance of 9 centimeter from the center of the circle, means OP is equal to 9 given. First we find out PB. PB is equal to half into length AB. Why? Because OP is perpendicular to chord AB. So write down the reason. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. Here we find out the value of PB, that is 12 centimeter. In triangle OPB, angle OPB is equal to 90 degree. I highlight here this triangle. Here PB is equal to 12. Now this PB is equal to 12 from here, and OP is equal to 9. So we find out OB, sorry. By Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equal to OP square plus PB square. Now substitute the values. 9 square plus 12 square. 81 plus 144 is equal to OB square is equal to 225. Therefore, OB is equal to 15 centimeter. So write down the answer. The radius of a circle is 25 centimeter. Fourth example, here only question is given. We draw the figure. Name it center C. AB is a chord. CP is perpendicular to AB. C is the center of a circle whose radius is 10 centimeter. Means CB or CA is equal to 10 centimeters. Given, find the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12. Length of the chord is given, that is 12. Here we find out PB, that is half of AB. Then PB, we know PB, we know the radius, then find out the CP. Solution. In a circle with center C, segment CP is perpendicular to chord AB. Therefore, length PB is equal to half into length AB. Write down the reason. The perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Now substitute the values. 1 upon 2 into 12 is equal to 6 centimeter. In triangle CPB, angle CPB is equal to 90 degree. I highlight the triangle. By Pythagoras theorem, CB square is equal to CP square plus PB square. Now substitute the values. Therefore, 10 square is equal to CP square plus 6 square. Therefore, 100 is equal to CP square plus 36. Now, this 36 we bring on left hand side. Therefore, 100 minus 36 is equal to CP square. Therefore, CP square is equal to 64. Therefore, CP is equal to 8 centimeter. What is CP? The distance of the chord from the center of a circle. So, write down the distance of the chord from the center of circle is 8 centimeter. Here we complete practice set 17.1. Thank you.